guys, welcome my YouTube channel. Today I am going to create the Python project. Its name is convert image into pencil sketch using Python language, and I use this Python. First of all, I install Python in my machine. You can download this latest version for Windows, Python for Windows. Download Python 3.11.1, and now I don't download this version. I already downloaded Python in my machine. Your machine Linux, Mac or other operating system, you can find this Python link, and you can easily download and install your machine, and then move to the Visual Studio Code, and you can download in your Windows operating system, Linux or Mac operating system. I already installed my Windows operating system Visual Studio Code, and then successfully installed Python in my machine. You can use this command and Python version. Use the Python version. Yeah, I already installed Python 3.10.5 version in my machine. Then move to the Visual Studio Code, and then I create my Python project, and I named it new folder 2, and then this is my new folder 2, and you can open this command prompt in file. Yeah, this is my command prompt. This file path 43 upload new folder 2. Yeah, this is my 43 upload new folder 2 file, and open. I won't open this Visual Studio Code in my project, and use this command code space dot, and you can easily open this project. Then I want to these two images copy in my new folder 2, and select and copy and paste in my new folder 2, and I renamed it image 1, and this one renamed image 2. And then I want to open my Visual Studio Code, and before you can use cmd command prompt, and you can display in this cmda.exe, and this is my 43 upload new folder 2 path, and you can use this command code space dot, and then open the Visual Studio Code easily, and then I create my new text file. I want new text file, and save the Christmas. I want Christmas. Christmas.python. Then I save the Christmas.python. This is my image. This is my image number 2, and then after before the code in this Christmas.55, yeah, before the coding I want to install OpenCV library. I want then we can install OpenCV library. Go to the OpenCV Python file version and go to this link. I already all are links given below in my description, YouTube channel video description, and then I copied this file this code and paste my terminal, and you can see successfully installed OpenCV library in my Python project. Then I code the Python project, and
first of all import OpenCV, import CV2, and load the image. Load the image, and space CV2 and dot imrate. My image name image1, image1.jpg, image1.jpg, and then convert the image to grayscale. I want to convert grayscale, and gray image, and CV2 and CVT color, and image dot CV2 and color. BGR2 gray color. Then gray image, using gray image, image, and then I want to invert the grayscale image to create the negative. Invert invert CV2 bitwise, I use the bitwise not, and gray image gray image image. Yeah, I have the mistake. This one is on. That's all after that. Local mark is not use this. You can this I want font size, and I use the font 18. I think this is looking good. Yeah, that is looking good. And then I want to blur the invert grayscale image, and then blur CV2 dot blur, and then invert 21 power 21, and then use this here and inverted blur, inverted CV2 dot bitwise not blur, and then blend the grayscale and blur the grayscale image using a color dot edge, and then I use the sketch equal CV2 dot divide gray image inverted blur scale profile 6.0, and then save my sketch image. CV2 right. Yeah, I use this file type. already use image1.jpg file type. Now I using new image image 1.png file type. I want the png type and use sketch. I think already done my code, and then
I want to run and start debugging. And yeah, I think working successfully in my project. Then I can see my image 1. Yeah, this is my image 1. This is new image 1. Yeah, this is my pencil sketch in my project. This is my pencil sketch. This is Leo Messi, Argentina Netherlands World Cup in Qatar 2022. Yeah, this is the pencil sketch image, and this one is the colorful image, real image. This is the real image. This conversion image. Yeah, my Python project after output. And then I want this Christmas Santa to convert the pencil sketch, and then I use the image 2 and output new image 2.png. Yeah. Then I run my code and start debugging, and you can see my file folder, and yeah, this is the new image. This is my pencil sketch Christmas Santa. Hey. This is the real image. This is the pencil sketch. Yeah. Thank you guys. If you have any doubts in this project, please send your issues or problems in my comment section in my video. Thank you guys. Stay safe. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.